Hi guys, it's another day on Tutorials Ghana, and today we are going to learn how to create a clipping mask in Adobe Photoshop. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell, and also like, comment and share this video. Let's start now. First, you launch your Adobe Photoshop. Then you draw a shape. You draw a nice shape like this. After that, go to file and click on place so that you place an image into the Photoshop document. Well, let's place this logo. After placing it, you click there and right click on the image you inserted. After right clicking, you click on create clipping mask, and you see now the picture is now inserted into the shape, and it has the same size with the shape. Thank you for watching Tutorials Ghana. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, comment and share. Thank you. Bye bye.
Kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell, like, comment and share.